Hi guys, welcome back to another video.
Yeah, we just did the video.
I'm broke because I got a car and then when I finished recording the video, somebody just gave this to me. I don't know why, and then he got angry and said, "Give it back to me," and I didn't. Ruby, get in my car. By the way, this is not my real look, as I said in the last video.
I'm saving for a car.
Yeah. I'm broke, and that's so sad. Are you in? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
People like wanting to go into my car.
Yeah.
Like when they like out of the car, they try to go in. Come on, get in here.
See? Did you want to go in a car?
She wants to, no.
Everyone wants to go in a car. Don't know why.
Oh my gosh. Rip. Just because I'm rich doesn't mean.
Doesn't mean you.
Look, they're all crowding around me. Let's go! People move! Move, people move.
People move!
Say no. I'm gonna say, people, I'm rich. What? People, move! People, I gotta go! Get off my car! No!
Tito.
No!
Tito.
Can you tell it to go off my car? Move! I can't ride since you're on it! People! I want to carry on with my vid, but you... Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Move, 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 move. Ah! It doesn't mean I'm rich. You don't have to do this. Wait, how to ride car the real ways. What? The real way? You not in my family, that's why. You not in my family, that why. That's why. No, sorry, I don't want to adopt anyone. Okay, Robbie, we are free. But someone's hovering onto our car.
Oh gosh.
Can you not? Get off, Leighton. 508. Thank you. Ah, he's coming. Go, 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 go. Rob, you need to go fast, Ruby. Ruby, how much money do you have now?
369.
Okay, we lost our house. Didn't we, Rob?
Yeah,
In the last video, our house is right there, but I don't know what happened. Oh yeah, because we had there's like a car. Nope, that I can't even get that. Okay, let's go. Robbie thinks that's our house. It's actually like the sports club or something. Okay, you are hungry. You are bored. You are smelly. You are tired. Oh yay! Oh, back in, Bobby.
I'm not doing it.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, what happened to me? What happened to me?
Oh my gosh, Robbie.
What happened to me?
Crash. Okay, Robbie, just leave and come back. Oh no! Get in here, get in here. No, I got this rattle. Get in. No! On here! Okay, let's go! I'm gonna crash that too! Wait, I wanna beep. I just wanna beep at someone. Oh, you're going at the park by yourself. That's sad. Didn't be my family. I guess that's a no. Oh, motorcycle.
I got a motorcycle.
Do you? Let's see how much.
It's not.
No, I think you could get it. How? Do you have 400 money now?
389.
What the heck is happening to you? Oh, wow. Oh, he's in the way. Okay. Let's see how much it is. Oh, there's a poor little baby. One more, Rob. You can get one more money, and then you will get it.
I want to see how much it's for.
75.
Good. You save up for a car.
Yeah. No, why don't you get the cheap one? Because this will take you a long time to get. Look, Rob, that's 2,100. This is 900.
Oh, yeah.
And then this one's 1,200. Ruby, get the cheap one. Yes, because that will take
get 68 more.
Still not 68.
2,000.
Okay, let's get in our car.
I'm
My dad.
drive.
Ruby, get in the car. Are you in? I want to get a double stroller. Let's go in the baby shop.
Yeah, and you buy
People, can you not? Oh my gosh, where's your wheels? Oh my god, Ruby, look at that bike. It has the wheels. The wheels are right there.
Hey!
People, can you not? Okay, I'm gonna block the road. Come on, let's go. Come on,
Statue.
let's go. Let's see how much the double stroller is.
Gosh.
No, this is expensive. I got it for free. Oh, I want to get this. I might have twins. No, I won't. I'll just have Robbie. Look, Robbie, you could get this. The raindrop one. Or the car. You could almost get it. But what is this? Tell me in the comments below, but what is a baby formula?
It's the toilet paper.
What is this?
Toilet paper.
Ooh.
I want to have a rattle. I'll give you.
You already have a rattle. Get it from your inventory. Oh yeah, you have it then. Let's go in my basket. Not my basket. No! Ruby keeps on giving me stuff. Ruby, you'll be bored. You are bored right now. Oh, people, get off my car! No! No, I want to get in my car. Okay. I just want my car. Okay. Ruby, in my car. Don't! No, I hear... In my car. Before somebody gets in. Rob, no! In my car. There you go. What are you gonna do? You're like in my car. Like, are you trying to write to me? This is so... Oh, Rob, I already have a rattle.
And you're no baby. I'm a baby. And you're not a baby.
Yeah, you're a baby. I'm not a baby. Let's get a brother or a sister.
Brother.
A brother? Okay, let's go. In here. No! I'll give it to someone. I'll give it to this girl. Aylin. 0806. I'm gonna give it to her. Oh, this little girl. No! Who wanna be in my family? Who wanna? Oh, you in my family. Yeah, she said, Robbie, let your sister go in. Yeah, go on me. Go in my back. No, Robbie, you will get to sit in my car. Rob, please.
Sorry.
Okay, where's your sister? Robbie, your sister. No, it's your sister. Get off, people. Oh, ow. Okay, Robbie, come on, follow me. Shout out to Rappy who? Rappy Muka. Shout out to Rappy Muka. In my car.
You.
Oh, come on.
Red.
Okay. Let's go to the food part. No, you might lose a lot of people. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Ah, no! Bacon hair! Oh my gosh. Come on, Robbie, get out now. Why? We're going to the park. Come on, Rob, park. Where are you?
Come get out.
I'll help you. Two kids.
Yeah.
One of them looks like me. One of them looks like a dog. Okay, kids, you go there. I'll push you. I'm pushing this one.
I don't have to push.
Because you're the older one. I'm not actually pushing her. She's doing it. Oh my god. Let's go in here together. Oh no, not that one. Child.
Child.
Oh. Rapey Mooka. Yay! Who's Lala? Oh my gosh! She's going so high. Go, go. Oh my gosh, she was out. That's you. Robbie, you left your younger sister behind. I'm gonna make myself... Ah! Let's go to do this together. You look so sleepy. No, don't run away. In the car, people. I mean, kids. Rob! Oh my gosh, I flung the baby! Rob, please. Ah!
Oh my gosh. Bubbly.
Okay, 2 kids.
3.
2. I'm a kid, I'm a parent. Yeah.
Ready?
We need...
I'm gonna smack your face.
Oh my gosh, she's crying. What's wrong? What's happening to her? I don't... Why are you crying? I don't know. No, you too? Okay, this... Even though I'm broke, you buy it yourself. Where's the shop? Bob, what's happening? Why are you saying no? People, move! No! Stop it. Stop. Why me? Am I a bad parent? Am I a bad parent, Robbie? Yes or no? Oh, thank you. You're so kind. Oh, poor Lola. Oh, she left. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Wow, we just went past it. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Kids, let's go. Rob, not in this channel. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.